Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class 9 Subject Physics Chapter number 6 Work and Energy. Today is our topic about the second kind of a mechanical energy, and that is a potential energy. Potential energy is our topic today. In our daily life, lots of bodies have ability to do a work although it is in rest or in motion. So simple example is like that, we can say that when an apple on a tree is capable to do a work as it falls, thus it possesses energy due to its position. Due to its position, when then we can say that it is easy concept that the energy posed by a body due to its position is known as a potential energy. Clear? That is the definition. The definition of potential energy is here. This is the definition of potential energy, and its formula is mgh. Potential energy is equal to mass into gravity into height. So stored water, these are the examples. You can say stored water possesses potential energy due to its height. A hammer raised up to some height that has ability to do a work because it possesses potential energy. Simply, another example, a stretched bow has a potential energy due to its stretched position. When raised, the stored energy of the bow pushes the arrow out of it. The energy present in the stretched bow is called elastic potential energy. So potential energy possessed by a hammer due to its height. The energy present in a body due to its height is called the gravitational potential energy. So we will prove here that potential energy is equal to mass into gravity into height. So let's suppose a body of a mass m is raised up to through a height from the ground. The body will acquire the potential energy to do a work in lifting it to a height h. So we have to prove that potential energy is equal to mass into gravity into height. Let's suppose we have a body of mass m raised to some height h from the ground. The body will acquire potential energy due to equal to the work done in lifting it to height h. So potential energy will be force into height. Okay? Force always act equal to the weight. So we put the value in this equation. We will get W into H, and we will know very that W is equal to mg. So we will put the value in this. So potential energy we can gain, that is equal to mass into gravity into height. This is the potential energy that we have to find. So the potential energy possessed by a body at a height h with respect to the ground is mgh and is equal to the work done in lifting it to the height h. This is our topic. Clear? Potential energy force into height. Force is equal to weight, and weight multiplied by height, and we know that weight is equal to mgh, and we put the value in this equation. Potential energy is equal to mass into gravity into height. This is our topic.